Welcome to Insurance Funda's IC38 learning series. This is the final video of our course covering Chapter 9, Grievance Redressal Mechanism, and Chapter 10, Regulatory Aspects for Insurance Agents. These two chapters are extremely important, both from an exam point of view and for your real-life career as an insurance agent. In the insurance industry, customer complaints are a reality. But if handled properly, they can actually increase customer trust and loyalty. Grievance redressal means resolving customer complaints quickly, fairly, and with empathy. To standardize complaints, IRDAI introduced the Integrated Grievance Management System, or IGMS. Policyholders can file complaints online, track their status, and if unsatisfied with the insurer's response, approach IRDAI. The Consumer Protection Act protects policyholders' rights. Insurance is recognized as a service. If service is deficient, like delays in claim settlement, policyholders can file complaints in consumer forums. There are 3 levels of consumer commissions: district, state, and national. District Commission handles disputes up to 1 crore rupees. State Commission, between 1 crore rupees and 10 crores rupees. National Commission, above 10 crores rupees. The Insurance Ombudsman is a cost-effective, impartial authority for resolving complaints up to 30 lakhs rupees. Complaints may include delays in settlement, partial claim repudiation, premium disputes, or misrepresentation of policy terms. The Ombudsman's decision is binding on insurers. Policyholders also have the right to seek information under the RTI Act, 2005. This ensures transparency and accountability in the insurance industry. Now let's move to Chapter 10, Regulatory Aspects for Insurance Agents. As future agents, this chapter is about your responsibilities, code of conduct, and professional standards. According to IRDAI, Appointment of Insurance Agents, Regulations, 2016, only qualified and approved individuals can become agents. You must pass the IC38 exam and follow compliance rules strictly. As an agent, you must furnish accurate documents, avoid fraudulent practices, cooperate with inspections, resolve policyholder complaints quickly. The code of conduct is critical. Agents must disclose all facts truthfully, give correct information about products and premiums, maintain confidentiality of client data, place clients' interests above their own. If agents violate rules, like hiding facts, mis-selling, or embezzling premiums, their license can be cancelled. IRDAI even maintains a central blacklist of such agents. Let's recap. Chapter 9 taught us about grievance redressal through IGMS, consumer forums, Ombudsman, and RTI. Chapter 10 focused on regulations and the code of conduct for agents. Together, these ensure fairness, transparency, and trust in the insurance industry. This was the final chapter of the IC38 learning series by Insurance Funda. If you followed all videos carefully, you are well prepared to clear the IC38 exam and start your journey as a professional, ethical insurance advisor. Thank you for learning with us.